In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new tab group on Google Chrome. If you often have a lot of tabs open, tab groups are a simple way to keep related pages together, reduce clutter, and switch tasks faster. We'll do this on a desktop or laptop version of Chrome, and I'll show you the quickest way first, then how to add more tabs and manage your group. Start by opening Google Chrome and making sure you have a few tabs open that you want to organize. When you're ready, right-click any tab. From the menu, choose Add Tab to Group, then select New Group. Chrome will show a small label next to your tab with a color. Click that label to name the group, something like School, Work, or Shopping, and pick a color that makes sense for you. Press Enter to save it. That's it, your tab group is created. The colored outline and label help you spot it instantly across your tab bar. With the group set up, you can quickly bring other related tabs into it. The easiest way is to drag a tab into the colored group area until you see it join the group, then release. If you prefer menus, right-click a tab, choose Add Tab to Group, and select the existing group by its name and color. Both methods do the same thing, so use whichever feels faster. Once you have a few tabs grouped, there are several handy controls. You can rename the group at any time. Just click the group label and type a new name. You can also change the color to match a theme or priority. To save space, click the group label to collapse it. All the tabs tuck under the label. Click again to expand and bring them back. If you're finished with a project, you can close the entire group at once from the label menu, which clears those tabs in one click. And of course, you can freely move tabs in or out by dragging them whenever your workflow changes. As a quick example, you might build a work group with tools like Google Docs, email, and spreadsheets, an entertainment group with video or streaming sites, and a shopping group with your favorite stores. Naming and color coding by category makes it easy to focus, and collapsing unused groups keeps your tab bar clean. That's all you need to create and manage tab groups in Chrome. Give it a try and enjoy a tidier, more efficient browser.